Okay, so for the gravity lab, we're going to be looking at how distance and mass affects the force of gravity. So what you'll have is you'll have your regular gravity lab that looks like this. There's a do not question, which is this paragraph, and you're going to highlight the statements that you agree with. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 statements. Once you're done with that, it reviews what an independent variable is, and a dependent variable is. If you remember, these are from when we did graphing. Um, and then next, there's an explanation on what is gravity. So gravity is the force by which a planet or other body draws object towards its center. Anything that has mass also has gravity. And so when we were talking about mass, we also talked about how weight is a result of your mass and the force of gravity on it. And so just a quick explanation of what gravity is. So you exert the same force of gravity. You exert the same gravitational force on Earth as it does on you, meaning that you're applying the same force of gravity on Earth as it is on you. But because Earth is so much bigger than us, we don't our force doesn't really affect the Earth, but the Earth's forces is large enough that it holds us on the planet. It keeps us on the planet, on the ground. All right. So for the actual lab, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this link. And it should work for everybody because it's not a flash link. And once it opens up, you'll get something that looks like this. And so if you go back to the lab, it asks you to get familiar with the figures by moving them back and forth. So you can move these guys back and forth. You can also increase the mass of the different spheres. You can increase the size of them. So you can play around with it. And the next question asks what variables can be found in the simulation. So there's the distance between people, force, strength of the people, mass of the spheres, size of the people, and size of the meter stick. So looking at this, which are the ones that you can change?